Snow. Upon a snowfall, we like to admire the sound of the flakes falling to the earth. But what is the sound of snow? It is not the sound of snow we fall in love with. It's the blanket of silence it creates on the world around us. When a layer of snow blankets the earth, it creates an acoustic barrier that amplifies other sounds. Sounds we would never notice if not for the solace the snow creates. No, snow itself does not make a sound. It helps the little one shine through the ordinarily noisy world. We love snow. It reflects our philosophy at Seldom Sounds, to amplify the simple sounds of the world around us and help bring you an experience like no other. Have a listen, not only to the absence of sound, but to the sounds you may have never noticed. We are Seldom Sounds, and this is your experience.